all that brown is rust and goo working its way out of the shaft on this Class 15 machine. If you have an old Class 15 machine that's been sitting around and it's sluggish, take the hook and race out and clean thoroughly and lay it on its back and oil behind that shuttle and run it and turn it and let that oil soak in, and then make sure it works all that goo and crap out so that your machine can run better, or it will just stick up again no matter how much you work to loosen it, or you'll break something. Alright, without the machine running, right here is what I'm talking about. Oil, penetrating fluid all around here with the machine laying on its back, so it'll settle in and soak through that shaft back to where the gear is for the hook and shuttle. And then as the machine runs and works, all that brown, that's all rust and old oil and grease that was on that shaft and gumming that shaft up. So I'm going to run this machine 5 or 10 more minutes with, I'm going to wipe this out now, put fresh oil there and run it until that orange and rust and goo is not coming out of that shaft.